Do you want to get better at writing, communicating, and socializing all at once? Then the one place for you to be at where you can achieve all of this would be at Toastmasters. I still remember the first day I spent at college feeling so shy and underconfident as I entered a class full of unknown people. Everyone seemed to be making friends already and getting along so well, while I was just sitting there on the third bench feeling so shy and awkward, just hoping for the day to end. Have you ever been in a similar situation where it was so difficult to communicate comfortably or to make friends? All because there's just one thought that is running in your mind, and that is, what if the person in front of me is judging me the entire time I speak? But there is some good news for you, because you can overcome these difficulties by just learning a few important skills. Confidence is a quality that you can inculcate through the process of learning. And for you guys, Toastmasters would be the best place to learn these qualities. Toastmasters International is an organization that transforms average public speakers into great public speakers. Apart from just public speaking, there are so many other skills that you can pick up by being a member at Toastmasters International today. Some of these important skills are: number 1, writing skills. With every single speech that is given on the stage at a Toastmasters meeting, there is a time period of 1 to 2 weeks when the speakers will be getting prepared for their speeches. And during this time, they concentrate on putting down their thoughts on paper. And it is not just about writing your script. At this point, you learn key skills about structuring your entire speech, writing a powerful introduction that grabs the attention of the audience, powering through a great body of your speech, and concluding with a very heart-touching or a heartwarming message. Of course, you would know that with the very first speech, nobody can achieve perfection. But over the few weeks that you will be participating with speeches at Toastmasters, you can see the improvement and the growth in your writing skills. Number 2, networking. Did you know that your network is said to be your net worth? It is that simple and understandable. Did you know that a majority of the jobs that people are getting today are all filled through connections? Whether you need to get that dream job or that promotion that you really want, networking can be one of the most key skills that can get you there. But if you think about it, networking just anywhere can get really awkward and hard for a person to do. But at a Toastmasters club, we have individuals coming in from so many diverse backgrounds that over the weeks that you will spend at a Toastmasters club, you will end up becoming, if not a really good friend with all the members there, you will at least know them. And when the time of need arises, you will know exactly whom to call. So that is the way in which Toastmasters International provides you a huge benefit of networking with people from diverse backgrounds. Number 3, social skills. Interpersonal skills are something that we have all struggled for throughout our lives. No matter what you want to be or where you want to be, it is very important to up your social skills. Like I defined earlier, your network is said to be your net worth. And without the right set of social skills, it will be very hard for someone to go ahead with networking. With Toastmasters International, you have so many people coming in, taking in so many different roles that you are bound to interact with each other. And without even you consciously trying, you can see that your social skills are getting better with every single meeting that you participate in. Number 4, listening skills. Are you one of those people who finds it so hard to pay attention while the person in front of you is speaking? You might find yourself zoning out. This is something that I have felt very constantly. And one of the very first few things that I learned from Toastmasters is, to be a good speaker, you've got to be a good listener. With the number of roles that are available for you to take up during a Toastmasters meeting, roles like the Toastmaster of the Day, a general evaluator, a speech evaluator, or a table topics master, all of these roles really help you concentrate on listening. And that way you're able to give people an evaluation or any sort of feedback that will in turn help them to learn and grow along with you. So, these are the 4 uncompromising skills that any individual should have. These are also the skills that you can learn at a Toastmasters club apart from just public speaking. If you are interested in upskilling yourself, do let us know what you would like to learn by dropping a comment below in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. My name is Toastmaster Demon and I will catch you at the next one.